Did you know that businesses exporting goods outside the UAE can claim VAT refund? But to qualify, there are key rules to follow. Firstly, the VAT refund is only applicable to business expenses like equipment, supplies, and professional services used exclusively for business purposes. If you use assets partially for personal use, like a shared vehicle, you can only claim the portion used for the business. Here's what you can claim: capital expenses, equipment, laptops, and inventory purchased within the past 4 years and still in use. Professional services, legal, accounting, or similar services used in the past 6 months before VAT registration. Your refund claim must include accurate records, such as invoices and VAT receipts, and be filed with the UAE Federal Tax Authority during your tax period. At Tulpar Global Taxation, we simplify the process, ensuring your VAT claims are accurate, compliant, and submitted on time.